Understanding, I second the motion, a guide to English expressions. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression, I second the motion. Ever heard it during meetings or in movies and wondered what it means? Well, you're in the right place to find out. Let's unravel the mystery together. I second the motion is a formal phrase used primarily in meetings or gatherings where decisions are made through voting. When someone says, I second the motion, they are essentially expressing their support for a proposal or idea that has just been suggested. This phrase is crucial because, in many formal settings, a motion or proposal needs at least two people to agree on it before it can be discussed or voted on. So, by seconding a motion, you're helping to move the process forward. The phrase, I second the motion, has its roots in parliamentary procedure, a set of rules for conduct at meetings. This system ensures that meetings run smoothly and that everyone's opinion is heard. The term, motion, refers to a formal proposal by a member, and, to second, means to agree with or support this proposal. This practice ensures that only suggestions with a minimum level of support are brought forward for discussion, saving time and streamlining decision-making. Using I second the motion is particularly common in formal meetings, such as corporate board meetings, legislative assemblies, or any organized group that follows parliamentary procedures. However, it's also found its way into more casual conversations as a way to express strong agreement with someone's suggestion or opinion. Here's how you can use it. In formal settings, after someone makes a proposal, say, I second the motion, if you agree and want to support it. In informal settings, use it to humorously or emphatically agree with a friend's suggestion. For example, if a friend says, let's go get ice cream, you can reply with, I second that motion, to show your enthusiastic agreement. And there you have it. Next time you hear or read, I second the motion, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Whether in a boardroom or among friends, this phrase can help you express your support in a clear, formal, or even playful way. We hope this video has been informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips and tricks. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.